All right, we're gonna go over the assembly and installation of the DBL2. So we're gonna start by taking the body of the DBL2 out, setting it down, your installation card, hardware pack, and this package has a leg strap adapter, which we're gonna set aside and install in a different video, and an ALQD quick disconnect adapter, so we're gonna set that aside. All right, we're gonna start by dumping out our hardware pack here. We are not going to use the Loctite for this video, but what you're going to do is take this out of the package and put 1 drop of Loctite on each screw. So we start by organizing our riser bars and belt loops, and we're going to take one of these hardware packs, set it over there with the ALQD, and go ahead and dump the other one out. So what we need to do is locate where we're going to be putting our ALQD on our belt. So I've already done that here, but how you want to do that is set this on your body, find out exactly where your draw stroke is going to work for you, and put a little pencil line on your belt, okay? So to start out, we are going to take 2 of our threaded posts and slip them inside of these long slots in the DBL2 body. And if one of them is sticky, go ahead and grab the next one. So sometimes the tolerance on the head of these posts is off just a little bit. So, all right. We're gonna take a riser bar. Now we've got large recessed holes in the riser bar. We're gonna index those on top of our threaded posts and go ahead and grab a belt loop and a screw. Now you're gonna apply Loctite to this screw at this point and slip in there. We're going to thread that into the post. Just get a couple threads in there so that you can still move the loops around. We're going to do the same to the other loop. Okay, a couple threads. Now we're going to move this stuff out of the way here and line this up on your belt. You can move those off to the side for now, roll them back in. And at this point, you're going to take your next riser bar. Now the orientation of this riser bar for the top of the DBL2 doesn't matter. So if you have your, large recessed holes towards the bottom of the top, again, it doesn't matter. They are identical, so you don't need to grab the correct one. We're going to take another screw, push it through the riser bar, make sure you're getting it through the riser bar, and then locate the threaded holes in the backside of the DBL2. And just go ahead and get those hand tight for now. Okay, now we are going to push the belt into the top of the DBL2 and then make sure that your bottom screws are loose enough where you can take this bottom riser bar and compress that to the top of the belt. So we're going to compress that down, and then we're going to go ahead and snug these screws up. And that's going to lock onto your belt so that it will not move anymore. Okay, so go ahead and give these a good hand tight. If you have a torque wrench, you're going to be looking at about 20 to 25 inch-pounds. Okay, now from here, our DBL2 is assembled on our belt, and we're ready to put our ALQD or our holster on the attachment. So appreciate you guys watching. Check out the next video.